Hello everyone, I am Anthony CHOW, CEO of Newegg. I'm here to take part in the Build Together, Give Together challenge. Thank you to Asus for passing me the screwdriver to Newegg and invited me to participate. Asus has challenged me to build a new PC and give back to the community. So this is what I'm going to do. In front of me, I have all the parts I need to assemble a high-performance PC. Once complete, this machine will be donated to Gamers Outreach, where it is sure to find a good home and make a possible impact in someone's life. We got the parts, we got the tools, let's get building. Z590 Wi-Fi. DDR4 8GB. Next, installation SSD 2 TB. So next, I'm going to install the cooling fan. This is a back plate. Now it's time for the case. Motherboard in the case. Next, liquid cooling installation. So I will just make arrangement something like this. RTX. Next thing, do the cable management. What a cable management. Gundam. Ta-da-da-da. That was a lot of fun. Now that my build is complete, it is my turn to pass the challenge to others in the PC DIY community. And I would like to challenge each and every one of you. If you would like to be part of the Build Together, Give Together challenge, grab a screwdriver, get building, and share your own PC DIY videos. When you're done, I encourage you to go out and make a contribution to a charity that matters to you. Thank you for watching this video. Let's build together and give together. Thank you.